Hey, what's up, y'all? Today, another hybrid mixing kind of walkthrough. What I'm gonna do is show you how to get all your signal from your DAW project to run to the corresponding channels on your board. And then I'm gonna show you how to record the main out of your board back into Logic or whatever DAW you're using. It's really simple. You wanna start by creating, or like having channels and then going to the output of each channel and changing it to the corresponding channel on your board. So if it's a mono channel, put it on a mono channel. If it's a stereo channel, you can put it on a stereo channel on your board. All right. After you do that, you want to change each individual channel you actually send audio to. You want to change the mode switch to PC. All right. Then once you do that, you should start receiving audio on these faders. Once you bring them up and make sure the main switch is actually pressed in. So when the main switch is pressed in, you're sending the signal on their channel to the main out. All right, then come over here back to your DAW, create a new channel. We'll make sure the inputs are 23 and 24. A new audio channel, make sure the inputs are 23 and 24, which correspond to the main outputs of this board. So the main outputs are always gonna be 23 and 24 on the Model 24, okay? Once you create that output or create that channel, you want to make sure whatever your stereo output is on Logic or your DAW, you want to make sure those channel faders are down, because if you don't have them down, they will make crazy feedback because you're basically developing a feedback loop. So whatever's coming through these channels on the Model 24 and the main button is pressed in on each channel, that means it's gonna come out of this channel right here when it's being recorded back into your DAW system. So just be aware of that. You know, you don't even have to pull the faders down. You could just unpress the, make sure the main buttons aren't pressed on those particular channels. So once you do that, you know, you should be good. And then you can hit play or even record, have this guy playing. And so now, I've got, I have some of this stuff on, but kick is right here. EQ. Reverb and delay right here. This is my synthesizer. All right, and we'll stop our recording. As you can see, we'll actually take this off of input monitoring. Yeah, what? Hold up. And as we play, so this is actually what we recorded. Recorded coming straight out of the master output. So since all of these channels all the channels I was using, the main button was pressed in, that means it was all coming from the main out. It sent all this signal. At the end of this signal flow, it goes channel strip to whatever these buttons go to. So you can have it go to the sub bus. You can have it go to PFL, which means you would just, listen to it in the headphones, or you have it go to the main output, and that's where we send it to, the main output. And you have it recorded. Really easy. It's all about, sending the signal where you want it to go. Really simple. Have fun creating. Take care.